how to clean under the spacebar on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So all I need to do is to just find some little tool, and it should be plastic, so we don't want to scratch any of our MacBook. So it looks like this, and we want to put this thin part underneath the spacebar. So I'm gonna do it right now. Be very gentle, we don't want to crack anything. Go on the side, and you can use this method. I'm gonna go here to the middle, and it has to just pretty simple, don't crack it, and this is it. If you want to clean it, just do it with some paper towel or something. I got here these, so it should be clean. And also underneath the spacebar, just make sure to clean that space under your spacebar. To put it back, we need to attach these parts to our Mac. So now we want to put it back. Make sure it's not the opposite side. These two dots here and here should fit into this plastic thing. Otherwise it's not gonna work, and it's gonna block this plastic cap or what it is. And now we're gonna just push a little, very gently, and it feels normal when I click it because I cleaned underneath that. So play with it, it should work like this. Make sure to click on the interspace of the spacebar. So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.